The Nimo 173 Fhd Gaming is about to change the way you power through your day. Imagine having a laptop that can keep up with your most demanding tasks, whether it's crunching numbers for work or whipping up a new video project. With its powerful AMD Ryzen 5 6600H processor, this laptop delivers blazing fast performance and lightning fast loading times, so you can get back to what matters in no time. But how does it actually do that? Well, the answer lies in its 6-core processor with a boost clock up to 4.5 GHz, which means it's always ready to tackle tough tasks like video editing, gaming, or even just keeping up with multiple apps at once. This is thanks to AMD's Ryzen technology, designed specifically for laptops that want to deliver top-notch performance without the bulk. Of course, having a powerful processor is only half the battle. You also need a laptop that can handle your data storage needs. That's where the 1TB SSD comes in. With its blazing fast read and write speeds, this laptop can load up apps, files, and even entire operating systems in seconds, making it perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who needs to get stuff done fast. But don't just take our word for it. Let's talk about the specs that make this laptop truly stand out. For starters, there's the 16GB DDR5 high-speed RAM, which means you can have multiple apps open at the same time without feeling slowed down. And with a dedicated micro SD card slot, you can easily expand your storage capacity to keep up with your growing needs. The Nimo 173 Fhd Gaming also boasts an impressive battery life of up to 10 hours on a single charge. So whether you're working on a project or just scrolling through social media, this laptop will be there for you every step of the way. And when it's time to top off, the 100W PD fast charger ensures that your laptop is back up and running in no time. Now, let's talk about the things that really matter, how it looks and feels. The 17.3-inch FHD display is perfect for video editing or just browsing through social media. With a crisp resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a classic 16:9 aspect ratio. And with its flexible 180 degrees hinge, you can easily share content with friends or colleagues without having to worry about the screen angle. But what really sets this laptop apart is its focus on security and convenience. With Windows Copilot AI tools and multi-layer Windows 11 system security technology, your files and data are protected from prying eyes. So whether you're working in a public library or just browsing through your own files, you can trust that this laptop has got your back. And then there's the keyboard and touchpad. The US layout backlit keyboard provides excellent visibility in low-light environments, making it perfect for late-night work sessions or study marathons. And with its fingerprint reader and webcam shutter, you can rest assured that your personal data is safe from prying eyes. Last but not least, let's talk about the portability of this laptop. Weighing in at just 4.6 pounds and measuring a slim 0.78 inches thick, this laptop is perfect for tossing into a backpack or carrying around with you on the go. So there you have it, the Nimo 173 Fhd Gaming is more than just a laptop, it's a game changer. With its powerful processor, blazing fast storage, and long-lasting battery life, this laptop will take your daily routine to the next level. And at an unbeatable price point, it's never been easier to get your hands on this powerhouse of a machine. So what are you waiting for? Check out the link below to get started.